Right, hello everyone, we're back again. We've got a Mazda 2 2018 here. We're going to take out the driver's side door handle. First of all, open your door and you'll see a grommet just in here. For all you guys at home, what I'll do first is get a plastic pry bar so you don't damage the paint. You want to take this rubber grommet out, prise that out, put that somewhere safe. And then you want a T-handle Torx or any 20 Torx here. You go through the hole. If you have a look in there, you can see that little bolt down there. This bolt's secured with a holder, so you can turn it all the way anti-clockwise much as you can and it won't fall out. Just keep going about, I don't know, 10 to 15 turns to your left. And come this side and you want to see your door barrel will start to loosen up. So keep just pulling that as you turn and that will just pull out just like that. Remove your Torx there, and with these you want to lift it up, slot it to the right with a firm pull, and then that's it. And then you release the back there, take your gasket out, and that's ready to paint or to change a new one if it's been damaged in an accident. Perfect. Thanks a lot guys, like and subscribe to see more content. See ya.